Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In this video, I would like to talk about the mkdir command and how we can use this command mkdir with some options. So the first thing, how we can create a directory. So it's very simple. It's simple. We want just to type the mkdir command like this, and then I type the name of the directory I want to create. So I want give the test name of my directory. So, and then I press enter. With the command ls command, I can verify the creation of my test directory. So it's simple, just type mkdir command with any options, then the name of the directory you want to create. So mkdir with options. So to make mkdir displays or show a complete details of the operation, we can add the option -v, and v stands for verbose. So like this, mkdir -v. With this option -v, I have a complete details of the operation. So if I want to create the directory test2 with the option -v like this, so I press enter. As you can see, ls, so the directory test2 has been created. And as you can see the output here, when I press enter, the output is mkdir created directory test. So with v, the mode verbose, we can display a lot of details and information about the operation. If I have an error, it will be an error. So another option, if I want, for example, to create the directory toto like this, and under the toto directory I want to create a subdirectory toto2, and under toto2 I want to create another directory toto4, for example, like this. If I press enter, I have an error because I can't create with mkdir with any options three directories and subdirectories. What can I do? I can just type or add the -p option like this, and then press enter, and now all the directory and subdirectories have been created. So I can verify, so test cd toto, and now I'm under toto directory. ls, I can see the subdirectories toto2, and then I want to change the directory to toto2, and then I am under toto2, and I can see the toto4, and also I can change the directory to toto4, and now I am under toto4, and this is the absolute path. So by using -p, the option -p, I can create a complete directory structures with a single mkdir command with the option -p. The last thing in this video, I want to show you how we can set permissions for directory being created. So like this. So now I want to clear my screen. So by default, all the directory created have the permission read-write execution, and read execution, all by default. So if I want to set a permission for directory being created, I can set this permission by using the option -m, sorry. So for example, mkdir, the name of my directory, it will be test4, like this. And now after mkdir command, I can add the option -m, like this. And after the option -m, I can set what I want of permission. But for example, if I want to give the test4 directory the permission 600, I want just type the 600 permission after the option -m, like this. And now if I press enter, like this, ll, we can see now as the test4 directory here have the permission 600, and 600 is rw minus 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 for 0 and minus minus minus. So that's it for this video. Hope you are enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.